Here we go. 223. This is 24 Rookies and Stars hobby. Should have 2 autos and 2 mims per box. 6 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. Empty box. Pack number 1. Brandon Ayuk, Amari Cooper, Ramondre Stevenson, Bijan Robinson, Josh Jacobs out of 149. Touchdown Club, Dan Marino, Ricky Pearsall, Jalen Polk on the Thrillers Refractor, Jared Verse, and Enos Rakestraw are the rookies out of that pack. Rashad White, Jameson Williams, Breece Hall, DeAndre Hopkins out of 299. There's our first of what should be 2 mims. Jalen Wright on the cross training. That is out of 399 going to the Dolphins spot. Jermaine Burton, Thrillers, Silver Prism Refractor, whatever you want to call it. Jace McClellan and Eric All are the rookies in that one. Next pack. DeAndre Swift, Puka Nacua, Terry McLaurin, George Pickens on the Great American Signatures patch auto signature out of 99. George Pickens is our first auto. You guys are guessing the player on the last auto. There's Brian Thomas on the rookie rush. We got Marshawn Lloyd. There's a Caleb Williams rookie out of 299. So pair of spots. Silver Thrillers of Malik Neighbors. John Edwards and Brian Thomas Jr. Let's top load and then we'll do the second half of this break. We got 3 packs left. Coming up next after this one is Illusions PYT 220. So if you're in that break, that will be coming up next. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto in this break for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to guess. If you're watching live or waiting for your break, you can throw a guess out there. I guess we didn't finish this. There's Amari Cooper. Oh, yeah, we did. I just didn't put that in the right spot. Threw me off there. The artistry in motion. There's Josh Jacobs. All right, let's do the last 3 packs. Good luck. Illusions again is coming up next. And then a composite football. I believe we have spots for. Spots left. Michael Pittman, Myles Garrett, Kendrick Bourne, Derrick Henry, Michael Pittman out of 299. Touchdown Club, that is Sean Alexander. Draft class, Jared Verse. One of the Rams. Gene Daniels on the Silver Airborne. A.J. Barner and Tip Ryman. Couple rookie tight ends there. Last 2 packs coming up. That is Patrick Mahomes, Baker Mayfield, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Garrett Wilson. How about a dual mem here for the 49ers? Brock Purdy, Deebo Samuel out of 399. CeeDee Lamb on the Artistry in Motion. Another Artistry in Motion. That is David Montgomery. Bryce Young on the Crusade. Quinyon Mitchell and Malik Washington are the rookies to end that pack. And our final pack should have our final auto in it. If our auto happens to be replaced by Panini points, we'll ram those off to someone in the break. And looks like we do have points, man. Keenan Allen, Cooper Kupp, Austin Eckler, and only that's 150 points. We'll random. Will Levis on the Crusade. That one's out of 35. Rookie rush of Bo Nix. F-class Marvin Harrison. There's Bo Nix on the Airborne. Keelan Robinson and Jer'Zhan Newton for Washington. Let's top load. Let's random off the points, recap, and then we'll move on to illusions. Pickens was the guest of the break. He was our only auto. And guys, if you want to grab any of the remaining spots, use the links popping up in the chat. Got it pinned to the chat as well. All right, let's do the random for the 150 points. And this is going to someone in the break. Screen share here. The dice first. So let's copy and paste all 32 of your names. Put them in a list randomizer. There's all 32 of your names. We're going to roll the dice. We're going to randomize the list of names 7 times, and whoever's name's in the first spot after the 7th randomization gets the points. 1, 2. Let me move this up. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, and our 7th final time, 7 times. It's going to be our 150 points again. 2 is 7. 7 times. 50 points. Do a recap. So the 150 points is going to be our, and here we go. Michael Pittman out of 299. Will Levis, this was out of 35. Out of 149, Josh Jacobs. Out of 299, DeAndre Hopkins. Out of 299, that is Caleb Williams. Out of 399, Brock Purdy, Deebo Mem. Jalen Wright, rookie mem out of 399. And George Pickens on the Great American Signatures out of 99. All right, that does it for this one. Up next is our illusion.